Hi, welcome back to Mrs. Walensky's AP Computer Science video series. As promised, we are getting into the children's toys area where we're going to start using toys to talk about the different concepts. So this is the first toy. You'll generally see a children's toy that doesn't have these two poles, but it has one pole with 5 discs of varying sizes, and they're usually in size order. So we're going to use this to do a game, and the game is called the Towers of Hanoi. And basically the idea of the game is you need to get this stack of discs to this stack of discs with 2 simple rules. The simple rules are: 1, you can only ever move 1 disc at a time, and the other simple rule is that a smaller disc always has to be on top of a larger disc. It can never be that a larger disc is on top of a smaller disc. So those are the only 2 rules for the game. So I'm going to use this game here, this toy, to demonstrate some of the computer science concepts. As I go through this, I want you to be trying to pay attention to a couple of things. One is, what is each color doing? And then, what patterns can you recognize? And I'm going to stop the video along the way so you can stop and sort of think about this. I'm also going to ask you some other questions at the end of the video, and we're going to cover it more in class. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here we go. One thing, keep in mind, I'm actually doing this backwards so that in the camera it reflects the right way to you, so just bear with me. And there you have it. So, now that you've seen me do this, hopefully you had come up with some kind of pattern or noticed something going on with the different colors. The second question that I'm going to ask you at this point is, what does this have to do with computer science? And I'll give you a little hint. The hint is something called recursion, which we are going to be speaking about further in class, and you should have already done, or hopefully will be doing soon, in EIMAX. But the idea is, think about recursion, what recursion means, and how that might relate to computer science and Java. And I'll see you in class. All right, bye-bye.